What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a simple cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come all the way around the left side and then down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now on either side of the nose we're going to draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, come all the way around and back up. Now I want to line this up over on the right side and draw the same size circle. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's give our character some thick eyebrows. We're going to start on top of the left eye, we're going to step over towards the side, then this up and then in. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going out and then bending that down. Now I want to round out the ends of the eyebrow. So I'm going to curl this around and then up towards the top, on the inside going in the opposite direction. Let's close off the top of the eyebrow with another curve, going across and then in. And then we're going to move back down and tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Let's start on the left side of the oval, then it's out, down, and just curl that up on the end. Let's line this up over on the right, going out, bend that down, and then just curl that up. Now I'm going to work our way back up underneath the nose. Let's start on the left. We'll start by bending this down and then in towards the bottom. And we'll add a small point. Move down and out with a short curve. Go back to the left side, bend this in, and then up in the middle, just underneath the nose. Do the same thing on the right. Move down and then out. Let's tuck the mouth in underneath the mustache, starting on the left, curve down and then up. Now on either side, we're going to add a curve going up and down for the tongue, and we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now, from the bottom of the mouth, let's step back down, add a small curve going down and up for the lip. Now, we're going to go back up to the top and put the hat on top of the head. We're going to start in between the eyebrows with a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Let's go to the side of the eyebrows, then it's out and then down toward the edge of the hat. Now, over on the left side, we're going to work our way down the left side of the beard. We're going to go out and then that in. And we're going to add a point with a short curve going up. Let's continue down towards the center, come down and then in. Now along the bottom, we're just going to bend that back down. Let's go over towards the right side. We'll curve around the mustache, we'll come down and bend that in, and we'll add that point. And we'll curve this down towards that bottom point in the center, coming down and then across. Let's close off the inside of the beard. We're going to start from the top, then this down, and then in on top of the mustache. And then we'll add that thick trim around the base of the hat. We're going to start from the side, go out, and then in, like a large bracket. Let's close off the top with another curve. We'll go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that back down. Now we're going to flop the hat over towards the right side. So let's start on the left side of the hat brim. We're going to go up, we're going to round at the top, go across towards the right. I'm just going to bend that down to right about there. Now I want to add that large circle on the end of the hat. I'm going to start from here, come all the way around, go up the right side, and then back in towards the top. Now from the top of the circle, we're going to step in and we're going to curve this up and then down towards the right side of the hat. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.